Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have Mexican street corn, also known as elote and vaso. This is one of my favorite summer treats. It's easy to make and it takes little time to prepare so we can enjoy the summer season as much as possible. I'm gonna show you the ingredients and you can also find them in the description, so let's begin. We're gonna let the corn enjoy a steamy bath and we're gonna get to the toppings. This is the fun part. The corn is ready and we have our chili sauce, the chipotle mayo, the Mexican crema, the queso fresco, tajin, and street corn seasoning, but you can use any seasoning that is available in your area. Now let's begin to assemble the elotes. Go ahead, give them a try so you can experience the balance of flavors, the dance of spices, and the undeniable joy that comes with every bite. If you like this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let's cook together. Thank you for watching.